What's good, everybody? It's your boy PAXX STACKS back with another one. Yeah, Sersky, man. Let's check out this new fire ship. Yup. GPT-5 is here, nigga. Let's go.
It was the last day of the rest of our lives.
Shit,
Yesterday
so
was the day
fried,
Sam
man.
Altman asked his ego this three-word question.
What's up,
what
bro?
have we done? Because
This nigga's so fried.
yesterday was the day the human intelligence monopoly officially ended with the
don't even think it's that
long-awaited
big of a
release of
deal.
OpenAI's GPT-5.
I'm not gonna lie. I feel like this shit has not changed at all, nigga. Like, I'm contrary fucking opinion, of course. I just don't feel like it's too many differences in this shit, bro. Like, what is the fucking difference? Somebody tell me, bro. That's cap. What's the fucking difference, gang?
The first AI model to
This
outperform
is lies,
biological
bro. Wait till I get
humans
to the
on the
video.
simple
Cap, nigga.
benchmark. Meanwhile, it's quickly overtaking virtually every
Watch. This about
leaderboard
to
on
be lies,
LM
because
Arena,
everybody's using it right now, bro.
which means every programmer that still has a job will be getting a layoff notice shortly,
stop
or
that,
at least
bro.
that's what the hype engineers at OpenAI
Yeah,
want you
exactly.
to
Ain't
think.
nobody
Now,
about, bro. I'm telling you right now, the only people that's losing their job is the people who don't know how to use AI. If you don't know how to use AI to make your job better, nigga, you're gonna lose your job 1,000%. But if you know how to use AI and you can do shit with it, basically become like a product manager or a project manager, you will not lose your fucking job. There's no way. This shit is just gonna weed out all the non-creative fuckers.
everybody is falling for it, though.
Yep.
That simple
False,
bench score
nigga.
was just a rumor, and
Run
in
it.
fact, GPT-5 is actually in 5th place.
Yup, exactly, because people is doing dumb shit. That's why I use Google.
GPT-5 failed to
Yup.
beat Grok on the ARC AGI benchmark, an
Yup.
important benchmark
I'm not
that was
talking
conveniently
shit.
left out of yesterday's announcement. It also underwhelmed the betting markets,
Yup.
and OpenAI is no longer the favorite to have the best
It's the
model
same shit. Cause y'all niggas is buying into the hype. It's the same shit.
of 2020.
Models should not be coming out this fucking fast, bro. Like,
5. Worst of all, though, people found numerous problems with OpenAI's own charts,
Look at this
which
shit.
really shouldn't happen when you have PhD level intelligence
Nah,
in
bro,
your
they
pocket.
printing
In
this
today's
shit.
video,
This nigga's
we'll find out
goofy,
if
bro.
GPT-5 is just another overhyped incremental upgrade
It's
or a true
just
game
that.
changer, edging
It's
us
not a
closer
game
to
changer,
artificial
bro.
superintelligence. It is August 8th, 2025.
I'm telling you right now, it's
and
not
you're
a game
watching the
changer.
Code Report. In the past, GPT got better as it got bigger.
yeah,
it was
but look
trained on
though,
more
it was trained on more data, exactly.
data that would activate more parameters when generating text.
Mm-hmm.
But those days are essentially over. The thing that makes GPT-5 special is not that it's a bigger, smarter model, but rather it unifies multiple models,
Bro,
like
so I'm
fast
saying, what the
reasoning,
fuck? It's not better. It's the same shit. It's just, it's not newer. It's just better, I guess. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like,
etc., to pick the
I
right
don't know how to
tool per
explain it, nigga.
task without the end
He's
user
fried
having
for
to
this
think
shit.
about it. In many ways, GPT-5 feels more like a consolidation and
right,
cost
exactly. That's what I'm saying. Like, I get that they trying to save money and shit, but they've been dropping so many fucking models. Everybody has, bro. Everybody has been trying to keep up with everybody since January. This shit has been ass. Now it's starting to plateau. It's been plateauing.
reduction effort after they spent the last year panic shipping a bunch of
So I'm
stupid
saying, look at all these fucking models, bro. How many of these models have y'all niggas actually used? Somebody fucking tell me, bro. Like,
named models to justify the $200 pro plan. Speaking of cost, though,
exactly. That's why, because if you paying $200 for that shit, you're fried, nigga.
GPT-5 is
Goofy,
priced
bro.
at only $10 per million output tokens.
don't even pay
and
that,
that's a great
bro.
deal compared
What?
to Claude Opus 4.1, which will burn a hole in your wallet at $75 per million output tokens.
What the fuck? And then y'all complain about them type of tokens. What are y'all doing? I genuinely want to know. If you're paying that much for that shit, what are you doing, nigga? And then y'all be complaining saying it's not enough tokens. Somebody explain that shit to me. How is this not enough tokens, bro? Like, honestly, what are you doing to where this shit is not enough tokens, nigga? I don't understand that.
Sam Altman says
weird.
GPT-5 is like having multiple PhD level experts in your pocket. But
Okay.
one of the funniest parts of their announcement is that their benchmark graphics
It's been
were
multiple PhD level experts in your pocket. Y'all just don't use it right.
presented with a y-axis that doesn't make any
Look at
sense.
this shit. Look, what the fuck? Huh?
And there can only be two possible explanations for this error. One, they vibe charted with GPT-5 and it
Bro,
doesn't
yeah, of
actually have
course.
PhD level intelligence. Or two, they were trying to be intentionally misleading.
Yeah, bro. They are trying to be misleading, nigga.
What's even better is that GPT-5 is supposed to have lower deception rates, but then someone
Bro, what?
or something tried to deceive us with the y-axis on
Bro,
the
exactly. They trying to cap and fudge that shit because they know it's the same shit, bro. I'm not trying to talk shit about nobody.
deception
I'm just saying it's the
benchmark.
same
And
shit,
that's kind
bro.
of embarrassing for a $500 billion intelligence
stop
company.
playing,
But if you're
bro.
a programmer, the biggest question is whether or not GPT-5 can code a Svelte 5 to-do app with runes. Many
see,
models
bro.
have come close.
I think the only models only do well with very simplistic old world coding languages. HTML, JavaScript, Python, nigga. React, that shit struggles a little bit. I think fucking Expo, Next, all that shit, it struggles a little bit. You need to use like vanilla shit, bro, when you trying to code with these models. That's why niggas, y'all be doing
But
some
none have succeeded. I put GPT-5 to the
That's it, bro,
test
dude.
and was stunned to see that it generated beautiful looking Svelte code and did so very quickly, far faster than any other reasoning model. At
wasn't
first,
working,
I thought I was working with a PhD level Svelte developer,
working,
but I would soon be disappointed after running the code and getting a 500 error as
Yeah, it's the same shit. Y'all niggas is pressed. I told y'all it's the same
the
shit.
UI. What's troubling?
I'm like, how can it get even better? Like, what in the short amount of time that they are building these models? How the fuck can it get better, bro? How, bro?
is that GPT-5 used the right syntax, but tried to use a rune in the template, which is not allowed. GPT-5 is supposed to have fewer hallucinations, but it hallucinated its own rules for using runes.
Crazy.
However, it did redeem itself when I asked if it knew what was wrong with its code, at which point it figured it out and fixed it. And the end result is a functional app that has a very nice looking UI. I also had it build a flight simulator game with 3JS, which turned out pretty bad, but the tall guy from Cursor said it's the smartest model they've ever used.
They capping, bro. I honestly have not changed my model since Claude 3.7, nigga, because I still use 3.5, bro. I still use 3.5, nigga. Like, real shit. I think people be taking this shit so far. At this point, it's just about you. It's about you at this point. Because the models are, yeah, they gonna get better, blah, blah, blah. But if you don't know how to use this shit, the model you use won't fucking matter because you won't know how to get good results anyway. That's been the problem from the beginning. If you don't know how to use this shit, you're hit. You can pay 200, you can pay 1,000 for all them fucking models. It doesn't matter, bro. Like, if you don't know how to use this shit, it's a wrap.
Fortunately, though, I don't think GPT-5 is going to take my job or euthanize me anytime soon, because it's clear at this point that the real power comes when you combine these new AI tools with existing technologies that you already know and love, which is why you need to check out.
I knew my nigga was about to hit me with an ad, man. We can't even do it, bro. Shout out to my boy, though, man. Shout out to my boy, though. I will just say, man, y'all niggas need to stay locked the fuck in. AI is not about to take your fucking job, but you definitely know how to use that shit, all right? I love y'all niggas, and I'll see you on the next one. Yes, Sirski.